Hey, this is Nick with Obsessed Garage and welcome to OG Academy. Today we'll be talking about CARPRO's Tar X. So what is Tar X? Well, CARPRO says it is a powerful tar and adhesive remover. This is something you'd want to use in the decontamination process to remove tar spots and leftover adhesive on your car. That doesn't mean you can't use Tar X for other things outside of detailing. We found that it works as a really good glue-on type product around your house. Tar X differentiates itself from something like a Kashkimi Ulex by being much less aggressive in addition to working on tar. So how can we use Tar X effectively? You'll want to use this product in the decontamination stage, obviously, before you clay the car. The reason we do that is we wouldn't want to get any tar or contaminants in our clay bar or our clay mitt. Before you begin using this product, you'll want to test it on an inconspicuous spot on the car, just to make sure it doesn't have any adverse effects on your paint. To use it, simply spray it on the affected area in a spot cleaning method. You don't want to soak an entire panel with this product. Additionally, you're not going to want to get this on any plastic trims as it could stain or leave streaks on them. CARPRO recommends letting this sit on the surface for 2 to 3 minutes, but we have found that the tar will usually come off immediately after applying the product. To fully remove it, you'll want to use a throwaway towel first to get the bulk of the tar off, and then follow up with a second towel to fully remove it. You're not going to want to let this product dry on the surface of the paint. If you're not planning on claying after using Tar X, I would highly recommend doing a thorough rinse just to make sure you get all of the product off of the paint. Again, we really don't want it to dry on the surface. Given its adhesive removing properties, Tar X is a product we find ourselves using all the time, not only in detailing, but also around the house and generally in the garage. As always, you can pick up Tar X and the associated towels in our store at obsessedgarage.com. And if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments or reach out directly at support@obsessedgarage.